Alright, this is a 2018 Volvo XC90 T6 with the all-wheel drive. And this has the Momentum Plus package on it. So I'm going to run through a few of the options. This also has the factory window sticker. So I'm going to take pictures of this in detail and put them in the photo section so you can go through those. Like I said, it is all-wheel drive. You do have the reverse parking sensors with the rear cross traffic alert, as well as your backup camera. Has the Pirelli Scorpion tires. They look like they have a ton of tread left on them. And that is a 20-inch wheel. This has the LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights. These are also auto high beam, and they are auto on off. The Momentum Plus package also gives you the active bending lights, so they angle with you when you take a turn. And then these pop out, and they're spray nozzles to clean off your headlights. This also has the panoramic roof. You get the power passenger and driver seat. So it has the second row bench, so you can seat 3 here. And then in the back, you have 2 more seats. So you get 7 total. For the second row, you have your climate control access there on the top of the console, and underneath you have a 12-volt port. You have air vents here on the sides, as well as down in the footwell. It is a power liftgate. Just push right under the L. These do fold down flat, as well as the second row. Then you have the all-weather mats. These kind of come into a tier system, so you can cover them up kind of like so. And underneath this mat, guess that doesn't pop up. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Oh well. We'll check that out in just a little bit. There's your power liftgate. You have your power windows, locks, and side mirrors, and these are also power folding side mirrors. And then you have your driver memory. You have a full digital cockpit here with your navigation, and that's all configurable. There's your auto headlights as well as your auto high beams. This has auto start stop, park assist, cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring in the side mirrors here. It has auto park in and auto park out. And there's your active bending lights. You can turn them on or off. You have a distance alert and a lane keeping aid. There's your backup camera. You have 360-degree view camera. So a bunch of stuff in there. It's dual zone climate. There's push button start. As far as safety, here's kind of a little close-up of all the safety features we just went over. 360 camera. Has a heated steering wheel. There's your remote keyless entry. You have your garage door openers here on the bottom. And this is a push button trunk or a glove box open, and there's your owner's manual. Some extra charging ports in there.